Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Mekomy Portable Air Conditioner, Quiet USB Air Cooler with 3-speed, Personal Air Conditioner with LED light. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. It has the functions of refrigeration, humidification, and air purification. The air is processed by a built-in filter and then blows out clean and cool cold air, which also has a slight humidification effect. This cooling fan is a USB power supply, so it is very useful for indoor and outdoor use. It can be connected to adapters, power banks, computers, car chargers for convenient use. 3-speed adjustable wind speed, you can choose strong wind, stroke, and weak wind. The 500 ml large capacity water tank provides long-lasting humidification, eliminating the trouble of frequent water addition. Safe and healthy, just pour water into the water tank to get fresh and clean air. This air cooler consumes very little energy and can save you considerable electricity bills. Small size, easy to carry. Suitable for home, office, car, outdoor, camping and holiday. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.